Gentlemen, let's be honest. Style after 50 isn't about chasing trends or showing off flashy brands. It's about discipline, refinement, and mastering the small habits that make a man look sharp without overspending. In today's video, I'll share 15 gentleman habits men over 50 swear by, practical, timeless, and affordable tips that will instantly elevate your presence. If you're ready to look sharper, more confident, and effortlessly stylish on any budget, stick around. And don't forget to subscribe to the Man Style Decree for weekly insights. One, the power of polished shoes. A true gentleman knows that his shoes say more about him than words ever could. After 50, investing in well-kept classic footwear isn't about splurging, it's about discipline and pride. You don't need 10 pairs of expensive shoes. 2 or 3 quality leather pairs that are regularly polished will elevate your entire look. A neat shoe care kit at home ensures they stay sharp for years. Remember, scuffed or dirty shoes can ruin even the best outfit, while polished footwear instantly communicates class and attention to detail. This habit doesn't demand a big budget, just consistency and respect for presentation. Looking sharper starts literally from the ground up and clean. Polished shoes make you stand taller and command subtle authority without saying a word. Two, the crispness of an ironed shirt. Gentlemen, habits don't have to cost money sometimes. It's as simple as respecting your shirt. After 50, wearing wrinkled clothing instantly makes you look careless and older. A properly ironed shirt, even if it's a simple cotton button-down, reflects precision and pride. It signals that you value how you present yourself, even in casual settings. Investing a few minutes with a good iron or steamer saves you from looking sloppy. This habit is timeless, and it's one of the most affordable style upgrades any man can master. The difference between wrinkled fabric and crisp lines is enormous. It sharpens your frame, brightens your appearance, and makes you look younger without spending an extra cent. Three, mindful access, or IZING. Gentleman style isn't about piling on flashy accessories, it's about restraint. Men over 50 often look sharper by keeping things simple. One quality leather belt, a subtle wristwatch, maybe a minimal bracelet. The habit is in choosing wisely, not excessively. Accessories should complement, not compete with, your outfit. A cheap belt with worn holes or an oversized watch instantly weakens your image. Instead, a simple brown leather belt with a clean buckle pairs with most outfits and looks timeless. This doesn't demand a big budget. 1 or 2 versatile accessories used well create more impact than a drawer full of mismatched items. Less truly is more, and this principle is a cornerstone of the gentleman's approach to style. Four, the habit of grooming. Looking sharper isn't just about clothes, it's about maintenance. A gentleman keeps his grooming in check: trimmed nails, neat beard or clean shave, and hair that's cut regularly. Men over 50 especially benefit from this habit, because stray hairs or unkempt beards can add unnecessary years to your appearance. Grooming doesn't require an expensive salon, just a commitment to a simple routine. A neat beard line, moisturized skin, and fresh breath are all subtle but powerful habits that cost little yet elevate your entire image. A well-groomed man looks approachable, trustworthy, and refined, proving that sharpness isn't about money, it's about respect for yourself and others. Five, owning neutral wardrobe staples. A true gentleman doesn't chase trends, he builds a wardrobe on neutral staples that mix effortlessly. After 50, wild prints or flashy colors can come across as trying too hard. Instead, neutral tones, navy, gray, beige, white create a clean and timeless look. The habit here is owning versatile basics that work together, reducing the need for excessive shopping. A white polo, navy chinos, beige linen shirt, and gray cardigan can be mixed endlessly without looking repetitive. This makes you sharper, smarter, and budget-friendly all at once. Neutrals project maturity and sophistication, ensuring you always look stylish without effort. Six, maintain a clean, pressed look. Looking sharp isn't only about what you wear, but also how you wear it. A wrinkled shirt, sloppy collar, or crumpled trousers instantly makes you look careless, no matter how expensive the outfit is. Men over 50 can look effortlessly elegant by keeping their clothes freshly pressed and neat. Ironing, using a steamer, or choosing wrinkle-resistant fabrics can make a huge difference. A crisp look signals discipline, self-respect, and attention to detail. And remember, you don't need to overdo it, just clean, simple lines that show you care. On a budget, investing in a handheld steamer is an affordable way to maintain that polished appearance daily. Seven, subtle accessories. Maximum impact. Accessories are the quiet tools of a gentleman. After 50, it's not about flashy jewelry or oversized watches. It's about subtle, tasteful details. A slim leather bracelet, a classic wristwatch with a simple dial, or a woven belt can elevate even the most casual look. The goal is to look refined without shouting for attention. Budget-friendly options in genuine leather or stainless steel are widely available, and they add sophistication to your outfit without appearing overdone. The trick is to pick accessories that complement, not dominate, your style. Think of them as finishing touches that tie your outfit together. Eight, neutral footwear wins. Shoes are often the first thing people notice, and for men over 50, the right pair can instantly sharpen your style. Instead of bulky sneakers or overly formal dress shoes, neutral-toned footwear strikes the balance between casual and polished. Think brown loafers, tan desert boots, or minimalist white sneakers. These are versatile, easy to pair, and timeless. They keep you looking modern without trying too hard. The key here is comfort and simplicity, shoes that look good and feel good. On a budget, focus on one or two pairs in neutral shades that you can rotate for different occasions. 9. Proper layering without bulk. Layering is a skill that can make or break your style. At 50, piling on heavy fabrics or oversized layers will only add unnecessary bulk and make you appear older. Instead, lightweight layering is the key. A fine-gauge sweater over a button-down shirt, or a casual unlined blazer over a polo keeps you stylish without overheating. These layers add depth, structure, and refinement without making your outfit look heavy. On a budget, look for versatile layering pieces in cotton or linen blends that can transition between late summer and early fall. Ten. Keep colors balanced. Gentleman style isn't about loud color combinations, it's about balance. Men over 50 can instantly sharpen their appearance by keeping colors simple and complementary. A muted shirt with neutral trousers, or one bold accent against an otherwise clean outfit, looks intentional and refined. The mistake many men make is wearing too many bright tones together, which can appear juvenile. Instead, stick with earthy shades, muted blues, whites or grays, and add a pop of color in a pocket square, belt, or polo. This creates a confident look without overwhelming the eye. "11. Invest in fit, not labels. One of the most overlooked gentleman habits is choosing fit over brand. Wearing a perfectly fitted $50 blazer will always look sharper than a $500 jacket that hangs poorly. Fit communicates confidence, discipline, and self-respect. It shows you understand your proportions and take the time to dress accordingly. Tailoring is often affordable and can transform even basic clothing into something that looks high-end. This isn't about chasing luxury brands, it's about making smart choices that flatter your body. If you want to look sharper without overspending, focus on clothes that skim your frame, highlight your shoulders, and avoid excess fabric. "12. Master subtle grooming. Gentleman style extends beyond clothes. Grooming is equally essential. Overgrown hair, untidy beards, or unkempt eyebrows can undo even the sharpest outfit. At 50 plus, keeping grooming subtle but intentional adds years of vitality. This doesn't mean chasing trends or over-polishing. It means regular trims, neat facial hair, and moisturizing skin. Think of it as quiet maintenance that supports your overall style. On a budget, a home grooming kit, a quality razor, and a reliable moisturizer are enough to keep things fresh. The goal is to look well kept without appearing high maintenance. "13. Smell subtle, not strong. A gentleman's presence isn't just visual, it's also how he's remembered. Overpowering cologne can feel dated, while a subtle, clean fragrance feels refined. At 50 plus, the right scent adds sophistication and signals attention to detail. Choose woody, citrus, or fresh notes that linger without overwhelming. 1 or 2 sprays is enough. The mistake many men make is using too much, thinking it enhances style when it actually distracts. Affordable options exist from trusted fragrance houses that project class without breaking the bank. Remember, a true gentleman leaves a whisper of scent, not a trail. "14. Stay active and upright style isn't just closets posture. A slouched frame makes even the sharpest outfit look sloppy. At 50+, standing tall with shoulders back instantly projects authority and confidence. Staying active, even with light daily exercise, helps maintain energy and a youthful stance. You don't need an expensive gym membership. Walking, stretching, or basic bodyweight routines keep you fit and upright. Good posture makes your clothes fall properly and communicates vitality without a word. The gentleman habit isn't only about fabric, it's about how you carry yourself in it." "15. Repeat quality, not quantity. A final hallmark of a true gentleman is repeating well-chosen outfits, instead of chasing endless variety. At 50+, nobody is counting how many shirts or jackets you owned. They notice consistency, quality, and neatness. A small wardrobe of versatile, budget-friendly essentials worn in rotation looks far sharper than cluttered closets filled with gimmicks. This doesn't mean boring, it means finding pieces you love, that flatter you, and that can be worn again and again without losing style, impact. The quiet habit of outfit repetition shows maturity, confidence, and financial wisdom. There you have it, 15 gentleman habits that prove looking sharp after 50 isn't about money, but about consistency, grooming, posture, and smart choices. Every detail matters, and when you apply these habits daily, you'll project authority, confidence, and timeless elegance. If this video helped you rethink your approach to style, make sure to give it a like and share it with a friend. And remember, for more practical men's style tips every week, hit that subscribe button to join us here at the Man Style Decree.